Hi everybody, this is Kim. I'm back again with another video. Don't forget to thumbs up the video, leave a comment at the bottom, and subscribe. I'm coming in today to talk about my eyebrows. Of course, they're not done. Oh, before I get started, the scent of I'm gonna start back doing the scent of the day. The scent I'm wearing today is Commodity Magnolia. Really, and I dropped. That's the scent of the day. I just purchased this. I haven't did a detailed video on this perfume yet, but it will be coming soon. So just keep watching out for this video. Okay, I'm coming in to talk about my eyebrows. Of course, they're not done. I used to use the Loreal, the bra Stylist, I think that's the name of it, or Definer bra. But Ulta is having their 21 days of beauty sale, and I decided to get the Anastasia Beverly bra definer. And this one is in the color, I think it's dark brown. Actually, yeah, dark brown. And this one is in brunette, I believe. Let's just look at the differences in both of them. Both of them come with the spoolie on the end. They both come with the spoolie on the end. Of course, this is the Loreal and this is the Anastasia. For as the spoolies, I think I like the Anastasia spoolie way better because it's a lot softer. As you see, the bristles in it is a lot longer than the Loreal one. And to me, it's a little bit softer, in my opinion. Okay, I'm gonna come close. You see how the spoolie is? It's a lot longer and it's most definitely softer. And this is the Loreal one. The Loreal brush is just okay for me. It's just okay. As you can see, it most definitely brushes the hair really good. It's just the Beverly Hills one. The Beverly Hills pencil is just way softer than this, than the Loreal one. Okay, and then on the other end is where the actual product is. As you see, the difference in the way that they look. The ABH one has it more at an angle, which means it, you know, when you stroke your hair, it just comes out a lot softer. Whereas this one is just a point. Okay, and then as you see with the Loreal one, as you see, it's just, it gives a harsh line. I don't know if you can see that line or not. It's just a lot, the line is just so much deeper and darker with the Loreal one versus the ABH one. The line is a lot softer, as you see. I don't know if this is wax or what it is, but you could clearly just, you can see the difference right there. And I just think you could just, it just works better. And all this time I never knew it. I hear people talking about the ABH one a lot, but I was just happy with this one, with the Loreal one, so I never ever tried it. But now that I've used it, I could clearly tell the difference. Clear. This side is the Loreal and this side is the ABH, Anastasia Beverly Hills. I think I prefer the Anastasia Beverly Hill over the Loreal, just because it just looks soft to me versus this one. This one is good, you know, because in my eyebrows, I have a lot of bald areas or whatever. You know, I over tweezed my eyebrows when I was a lot younger, and now the hair won't grow back. So, and my eyebrows is super thin. So, like right up in this area, I have no hair. So something like this with that point on it might work better, you know, because it has like this super small point tip on it, you know. So that will work. Like if you have some areas in your eyebrows that don't grow, something like this might work, but you got to remember that it's going to give off a very strong line, you know, in your eyebrows. So, I mean, it's not going to look as natural as this. Whereas this, and it also has that, you know, it's kind of made where you can make those those hair strokes or whatever, you know, and it comes off a lot softer than the Loreal one. So I think I like the Loreal better. But I just bought it. This is probably like my second time using it. So I'm gonna have to see and do not more research, but just use it a little bit more to really see if this is the one that I really like. I can't remember how much it retailed for because I bought it on the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty sale, and it was like $11 or $11.50. So I'm thinking it might be like $23 for this one. Versus this one, you could buy from Walgreens, CVS, or whatever drugstore you have in your neighborhood. And I think these retail for like $8. So whichever one that you prefer, if you like a strong eyebrow, then go for the cheap one. Or, I mean, not to say that you would get a strong brow every time. You know, you just have to work a little bit to get that soft, natural look. I'm not good at eyebrows, so I'm gonna go with what's easy, which is the Anastasia Beverly Hill one. It starts off soft, you fading it out, and it just looks a whole lot better to me. So, I mean, you gotta pick your battles. Yeah. So I think I might not be buying this one anymore. You know, the Loreal one. I think I'm gonna go with the Anastasia, but like I said, I'm gonna have to practice a little bit more just to get better, you know. That's just my take on it. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up the video, leave me some comments at the bottom. Don't forget to click the end clips to see some of my other videos. Click the bell to get notifications when I upload more videos. Share my videos, please. Look at them over and over and over, please. I'm just saying. But I have a playlist with lip swatches, easy makeup, perfume reviews, hair videos. I have a number of videos. Just go through my videos and just watch them. Subscribe to me, thumbs up, and comment. See y'all in the next one. Peace.